up, my loves? It's your girl Jazz, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're about to do like a little quick get ready with me or whatever. So I'm super excited because today this video is sponsored by Fa La 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 Hair. I know that sounds crazy, but today they are sponsoring this video. So they did send me a headband unit. I know that y'all been hearing about them. Y'all been seeing them everywhere. So I'm super excited because they sent me one. And today I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like straight out the package, how the hair feel, what's it's giving. And we're going to go ahead and try it on today. So let's get right into the video. If you are ready, let's go, sis.
Baby blue, she gets a smile. She ain't used to this, cause she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could have been a pimp the way I move my.
She on that 42 straight with no chase.
Stupid fucking cheap.
Okay, so I just got my hair like this because I was trying to like lay down the front because the way the headband is made is supposed to like cover majority of it except for your edges. If you have problem in your edge area, this is a great unit for that. So you're not always manipulating them or trying to lay them down and stuff like that. You can kind of just throw it on, cover up everything, and then they do have like cute little headbands that you can put on with them as well. So we're gonna see what they are looking like. So yeah, like I said, I tried to lay my edges or whatever. That's what it's given. That's what it is. And this is how the hair came. Okay, so it's Fa La Hair. So the company is called Fa La Hair, and they did send me a headband unit. Inside the bag, I do have the actual unit here itself. And it also came with a wig cap. So I'm gonna throw one of these on as well. They threw in a they threw in some lashes, sis. They threw in some lashes. And like I said, since it is a headband unit, it does come with all these cute little headbands. So it's this one, this little greenish one. It's like a blue one. I really like this color right here. Like I really like this. And then I also really like this one as well. So let me see. It came with 5 of these to switch out. So you know it is that. So we're gonna get right into it. We're going to start off with the wig cap and throw a wig cap on these 2 braids. You feel me? And like I didn't even spruce them up or nothing. I'm sorry. So boom. Wig cap. We're gonna take this. And I'm gonna act like I know how to put a wig cap on. And I'm gonna scoot it back just a little bit for my little edges that's sticking out anyway. But it is what it is. Okay, so now that we have that on, we're gonna go ahead and get our hair out. And this is what the hair looks like out the package, you know. We're gonna pull the net off. So I will leave all the information for this unit and the curly units and their website down below. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on. So it does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And then it also has a little strap in the back as well for you to tie the headband. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my head in there and get it all snug. I do start with securing the comb in the back. Then I'll come to the front and Then I'm gonna take all of this, and for now we're just going to secure this up and out of the way. Like that. I'm actually just going to use this. Like that. Right? So I have the entire headband secure. And I'm going to lay this part. So I'm just going to pull that behind. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to look in the mirror behind you guys, so bear with me. Snap that like that. Kind of just straighten it out a bit. Like that. Okay. Yes. All right. And then, okay, so we have it like that. I'm going to choose a headband. And honestly, I think I'm not sure which one I want to go with. Let's do this one and do it like that. Okay, so put this around, and then I got that like that. I can pull that down. Okay. I'm going to take this headband part and pull it right on top of the elastic. All the way around to cover that. So I do like that this hair is soft. It's actually really soft. I really like it. It's got a lot of movement. Like me combing through it, like it really feels buttery. And even without me straightening this unit yet, it actually looks a little seamless. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush it out like this. And make sure I get the back underneath where the hair could possibly be underneath the headband a little bit. So make sure that everything is okay. And I kind of want just a little bit of forehead hair to kind of be like, oh no, sis, it's me. No. Since I got the edges out. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. All on, like I said, since it's a headband unit, you don't have to worry about fixing your edges, making sure your lace is down, making sure your lace is seamless. Like, I'm really done and out the door. Honestly, like, this is it. And it's not giving, like, it's laying really flat. I love that it's laying flat like that. And it's really giving cute. Like, we can throw this on and be out the door. Like, mom has to go to practice. Mom has to take the kids to practice. Like, mom has to go to class. Let's throw on a quick headband wig. And like I said, this is the 24-inch. and she's giving, sis. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these units as well, I will leave the information to these units down below. Make sure you tell them that Jazz sent you. Make sure you tell them about all the amazing things that I said about it, sis. And make sure you grab you one of these units and you slay like me too, okay? Because it's the weekend, it's Saturday. Enjoy y'all Saturday, baby. And we outside with it. Bye.